there! This is day 3 of math for this week. So far this week, for the past 2 days, we've been hearing stories about teen numbers and breaking apart those teen numbers into 10 and some more. We've been doing that by drawing pictures, filling out double 10 frames, number bonds, and equations. Today I'm going to show you a video of something that happened. And this is going to be another math story. But first I'm going to show you the video of something that happened. And when I show it to you, I want you to think about what you wonder. Here's the video.
Hey Red, can you give me some eggs, please?
Sure, Daddy. Daddy, the eggs dropped.
What happened in that video? Were you surprised? I was too. What do you wonder about that video? Let's watch it one more time.
Hey Red, can you give me some eggs, please?
Sure, Daddy. Daddy, the eggs dropped.
What questions do you have about what happened in the video? My first question is, how many eggs broke? Did you have that question? To figure out how many eggs broke, what do we need to know? You probably need to look inside, right? Okay. Well, to figure out how many eggs broke, first we need to know how many eggs were in the carton. Maybe that carton wasn't full. Maybe it's been in their fridge for a few days and they've already used some of the eggs. So we need to know how many eggs there were, and we need to know how many eggs did not break in order to know how many are broken. Here's our first clue. That said there were 9 eggs. That's a big clue. There were 9 eggs to start with. I'm going to start drawing the clues that we get so that we can keep track. I'm going to write eggs. E-G-G-S. And there were 9 eggs to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 eggs. Okay. Now, what do we need to know now? We need to know how many didn't break. I'm going to show you a picture of how many did not break. How many eggs did you see in that picture that did not break? There were 5 eggs that did not break. How should I show that on my picture? So I'm going to put a circle around 5 of the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to write safe. S-A-F. S-A-F-E. These eggs are safe. So if we know that there's 9 eggs and 5 of them are safe, how many are broken? I'm going to give you a few minutes, and I would like you to draw your answer in a 10 frame, in a number bond, and in these two equations. This one says minus, so this one's a little tricky, but I want you to try figuring it out on your own, and then I'm going to come back in 5 minutes and I will help you solve it. All right, here we go. So if there were 9 eggs total, and 5 of them are safe, how many of them cracked? There were 4 that cracked. These 4 are done for. Before we fill out the rest of my chart, let's look at the picture to see if we're right. What did you see in that picture? Yeah, there were 5 eggs that were safe and 5 that were cracked. Let's show it in these other ways. So if I have 9 eggs, and 4 of them are cracked, there are 5 eggs left. There are 9 eggs total, and 5 of them were safe, and 4 of them were cracked. Can you say 5 and 4 make 9? Great. So for my equations, I'm going to start with plus. This one should say the 5, which are the safe eggs, plus the 4 eggs that were cracked equals 9 eggs total. Can you say 5 plus 4 equals 9? Good. So for minus, we're going to start with the total eggs that we had. We had 9 eggs, but 4 of them cracked. So I'm going to take 4 away. We can't use those eggs anymore. We're going to have to throw them in the trash. So if I take 4 away, I have my 5 safe eggs left. Can you say 9 minus 4 equals 5? Good. Thanks for helping me solve that problem today. I will see you next week for some more number stories. I'll see you then.